This is the Bird Dawg cart.
I'm Drew Bell. I'm the main griller of this business. I'm the main salesman as well.
I'm Luke Miller. I'm the chief marketing executive of the Bird Dawg cart, and I come up with the marketing plan.
I'm Ryan Malone. I handle the finances, and I'm also a food blogger.
Nice work grilling, Drew.
Oh, thanks, Luke. How's that marketing?
Oh, it's going great. Remember when we went to college together?
Oh, those were the times.
Hot Dog University,
Oh,
am I
yeah.
right?
I love that place.
We sure did learn a lot there. All from grilling the hot dogs to selling them.
And it was so nice of them to supply us with this nice Vienna beef sausage for our bird dogs. They even set us up with some partnerships with Lay's and Oreo. Sir, excuse me, would you like a free bird dog on the house right here?
I would love one.
Alrighty, here, I'll scoop you up a dog right here. Right up, right up in here. Right here, sir. I'll grab you this bird dog right here. You want some ketchup? Yeah, I want some ketchup. Okay, I'm gonna give you some ketchup. You want some mustard? Yeah, I want some mustard. Okay, I'll give you some mustard.